Let me make a list1 variable and I'll be storing some values. Okay, let's say 72, 54, 65, 90 and 1. Okay, so these are some values. I am going to make list2, and here we will be using list comprehension by making a shorter syntax. Okay, let me make for I in list1, and we'll make a condition if I is greater than 50. So it will print the values that will be greater than 50 list2. So let us print it. So you can see the values greater than 50 are being printed. So let me make use of a for statement. So I am going to make a variable even numbers and empty list. So here we will be using for statement instead of list comprehension. So you will see the difference. So I am going to make a range of 10, and then we will search for the even numbers. So let me make x percentage 2 equals 0. So this will show the even numbers. So we'll append it to x. Okay, dot append, and we'll append it to x. So let's print our even numbers. Print even underscore numbers. So when we print it, we'll see the even numbers in range 10. So now I'll be using list comprehension instead of for statement. So I'm going to make the even numbers equals, let's make a shorter syntax, x for x in range of, let's say here we are going to take range 20, and here I am going to make if statement if x percentage 2 equals 0. So this will give our even numbers. So let's print our even numbers. So you can see the even numbers in the range 20. So now let me make another variable square of even number. Okay, so let me make the syntax as x into x for x in range of, let's take here 11, if x percent 2 equals 0. So this will give our even numbers. So let's make square of odd numbers also equals. So here also we will give the same x multiplied by x, and then for x in range of 11, and then let me put the if statement if x percentage 2 equals 1. So if the remainder is 1, it will give the odd number. So let me print square of even number, square underscore even, and we'll print the square of odd also, square of odd. So let's run it. So you can see the square of even as well as the odd number.